Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Welcome to Hallo-week. Today we are on episode number 5 and we're kind of creeping up to the end, and I hate saying that because I really do love these week of WREATH, and from all of your comments, I know you do as well. So let's celebrate day number 5 of Hallo-week. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I made. Today I'm going to be using a wooden wreath ring that I got from the Dollarama, and from the Dollar Tree some black yarn, these black glittery spiders, and I'm going to be using some gold metallic spray paint along with my regular crafting utensils to create this project. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the larger wooden wreath frame and I'm just going to take it out to my garage and spray paint it gold. If you don't have spray paint, you can always find gold metallic acrylic paint. I suggest you painting a base coat of white and then doing the gold on top of that. That'll get you the same gold effect. And once it's all dry, here is my golden wreath frame. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to take some black acrylic paint, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm just going to put that on the edge of my paintbrush. And I'm just going to paint the edges, adding a little bit of distress, adding a little bit of interest. Now, this is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just thought it would add just a little bit more to our wreath. And then once that is all dry, I'm just going to take out a whole bunch of yarn. I'm just unraveling it. I'm going to cut it off. I didn't measure or anything. I just took a whole bunch off because I thought it would be a lot easier to work with that rather than the bundle. And then I'm just going to do a double knot right at the beginning, cut off the excess. I'm going to hot glue it down just a little bit so it doesn't move. And once it's dry, I am just going to bring that yarn all the way across, straight across the other side, add a little hot glue, and this is on the back side of the wreath, so the good side is facing down. And then I'm just going to repeat that on the other side as well. So I took it around, wrapped it around, glued it, used my little tool here to push the yarn into the glue, and then I'm going to take it across over as well, kind of doing a crisscross pattern. Now this doesn't look like a spider web. That's the goal here today. Well, kind of a modern spider web, if you will. You can see here it kind of looks like a little bit like a star shape, and I'm totally fine with that. And at the very end, when I'm all done, I'm just going to hot glue all those points just one more time to make sure they stay, and cut off the excess. And we have our little modern spider web all ready for our spiders. Of course, I always say, and jokingly around, a glittery spider is not that scary. At least I don't think so anyways. But I'm just gluing my spiders down. And just for an added little bonus, I'm going to cut a little piece of yarn, attach that to the back side at the bottom of the spider, at the body of the spider, let that dry. And then I'm just going to double knot that onto one of the pieces of yarn, making the spider web and having that spider kind of dangling down right from our wreath, adding a little bit more of a creepy effect because after all, it is Halloween. Now I'm just going to cut off, this is just a piece of satin ribbon. It's black, it comes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut a piece off, tie it at the very end, and that's how I'm going to hang the wreath on my door. I just use a wreath door hanger and I just hang this right there, so now you can hang this on your door as well. But there is our wooden base wreath painted gold with some black, and of course those glittery spiders and our black yarn spider web, creating this fun, easy, quick little wreath that you and your loved ones can make for your front door for this Halloween season. Ooh. Thank you so much for joining me for day number 5 of Hallo-week. Don't forget to check the playlist right down below so you can see all the past episodes as well. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.